Here at Simply Garden, with over 50 years of gardening experience, I believe in keeping things simple and productive while gardening in your own backyard. Good evening. It's the 25th of May, and we're very excited to have my daughter Jennifer help me tonight.
Hello.
And she's going to help me plant her favorite tomatoes, which are what?
San Marzanos.
San Marzanos. What kind of varieties you got there?
We have 4 types because I always get carried away.
All right.
We have San Marzano, then we have Paisano,
Okay.
Paisano, San Marzano Lungo, and an Amish paste.
Amish paste. What's the Amish paste all about?
It looks good in the catalog.
Is it like
It's another Roma. They're all Romas.
It's like an heirloom?
Yeah, they're all Romas.
Okay, awesome. There's a great paste tomatoes. Of course, we have over up here, we planted the other night the beefsteak tomatoes. All right, so we're gonna start by throwing a little bit of lime in each hole here. I've pre-measured everything out, so I'm gonna get right over here. Yes, I'm gardening in my bare feet. That's the idea. That's the advantage of having grass. So we're gonna throw a little lime in each hole here. Just probably a little scoop is fine. There we go. Something that isn't quite measured there, right? I think we're gonna go right here. All right, there we go. Okay, so we're just gonna mix it up a little bit. Each little hole, and just go stick the stick the roots nice and deep, deeper than that actually. We're gonna go like that. There we go. And then we're just.
And you're planting it sideways, right?
Sideways,
and
yep.
It up to covering the first leaves.
Yeah, first leaves. Yep, cover them a little bit. That's fine. Sometimes you can break them off. So here's your next one there. You just follow behind however you want to do these. And then we'll put some little tags so we can keep them separated, right?
Yeah.
Do
we want to do like these 6
Yep.
main one? Okay.
Yep, one variety, yep. And then we got another, we can put 14 in total here. All right, this one here, right here, yep, this is one. Beautiful. It's not fussy, just put them in and they'll straighten right up. We'll you got 3 more on the other side, right?
Yep.
All righty. Throw some more lime in there. I temporarily misplaced my shovel, but that's okay. Lime doesn't burn your hands much. It doesn't hurt at all, really. I still have my hands. Here we go.
And then you will go and put
the cutworm collars around those. I have to go cut some more. What cutworm collars are is basically taking like a shirt box or a gift box and cutting into little strips of paper. Cut them into probably about 1.5 inches long by about 6 to 8 inches lengthwise, and just make sure you get them around there so that way the little cutworms won't get in there and chop off the top of the plants, which I've lost a few over the years, so the cutworm collars definitely help. All right, so you got three there. Okay, you continue putting the lime down here, and the reason for the lime is it stops the problem of having blossom end rot on the tomatoes. So a little extra lime in each hole helps reduce that problem. They also say blossom end rot comes from the result of lack of water. The tomato gets stressed out, so that's another reason why you get blossom end rot. Tomatoes need a lot of water. Alrighty.
These are Amish paste I'm coming with nut.
Okay. And where do you buy these seeds from? What catalog?
These are from Baker Creek.
Baker Creek. Yep, you bought a lot. I just planted some cabbage.
I think just Walmart.
Okay. So your next one's there. Yep. Well, nice to have your help. This is awesome.
I love it.
We're going really quick tonight. Alrighty. It's nice and simple and fast. Nothing fussy. Just stick them in there and.
How many are we doing on this? Because we have 12.
We're doing. Yeah, we got 4 more spots left over.
Okay.
So I got 14 tomatoes in here. A lot of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, 16. Yeah, 16. We have a lot of Roma tomatoes, and we use cages to hold these up. You want 3 more over here then, right? You're doing 6 and 6, okay? Yeah, we have a lot of big cages we use. They get so big that I use the Gardens Live fertilizer, which is designed just for tomatoes, and oh my goodness, they just, you can almost see the growth overnight. Very good, yep. People are probably going to say, wow, you throw them in so quickly, but you know what? Tomatoes are very resilient. Once I water them down, they're going to be fine.
Go ahead and do that. I'll
Yep.
work on the last ones.
Alrighty.
I'm going to write them down in my
Yeah, write them down so you know what's what, and then we'll get some more tags. You have some more tags at the house, right? Your house? Get some more tags on so we can come out and show the people what they are, and they can follow the progress of our tomatoes this summer. Alrighty. So she's marking down her phone which ones are which. Me, I still use pencil and paper, but hey, it works, right? In fact, Jen told me, she says, Dad, don't change it. You've been doing it that way for 33 years. Pencil and paper works just fine.
Oh, and I still write my garden plans in pencil and paper.
Do you still?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, good.
No,
All
I'm
right.
just doing it so we can mark it down.
Yes, then you can come back and mark it later. Very good. Good idea.
Okay.
So you got 4 more in there?
I don't know what else I want to do. How many do you have in that set?
Let me check. I think I got room for 6 more down here. Let's take a look here. Yeah, 6 more down there.
Okay.
Well, we're gonna lose sauce this year. We got to find a better recipe. Mom's not happy with our sauces lately.
Okay, so here we'll do the lungos.
Lungos. Okay.
I don't know, sand lungo.
Okay. Ooh, these are nice looking.
Right.
Wow.
Wow.
Healthy looking plants. Is that one there, San Lungo also?
No, that's a San Marzano, but we don't need more of that.
Okay. All right. Now, if the peat pot, yeah, you take them out. Okay. Some people take them out. Some just break back the edges.
I like taking them out. These peat pots are crazy.
They drink.
I grew them last year that way, and they didn't do well.
They don't decompose.
Not fast.
Really? Okay. Well, we're going to take them out then. That's fine. There we go. All right. Okay. Spin like so. They're nice looking. The roots are nice. All right, it kind of fell apart a little bit. That's all right. Okay.
There you go.
Let me get some more liquid fertilizer, fish emulsion. Helps give it a nice kick start. Then we'll go down the other bed, and that's how we quickly plant tomatoes, nice and fast and simple. And what's my philosophy? Get it in, get a lot, and get it done quick, right? And other people like to, enjoy the garden. That's wonderful. Sometimes I will just sit down and relax for a little while and observe. Once in a while I do that, right?
Okay.
All right, so we got 6 more down there to do. Which ones are you going to grab? Or you want
Pisano?
Pisano? Okay. All righty. It's already limed, so it's good to go.
Okay.
So we'll just throw them in. All righty.
Yeah, let's do 4 Pisano. I'm going to bring you over one of my, another one of this type. I can't remember what this is.
Which one's that?
This is my sun-dried type. So I'm going to bring you one more. Let's put the sun-dried type
2
on
in
the
the
end.
Yep. Okay. Good.
So this will go sun-dried.
Yep. All right. Let's take those little guys there. All right. I got a lot of cutworm collars to make here. I gotta go steal some of Mom's gift boxes. She doesn't care. Alrighty. I like to if we kind of plant the tomatoes kind of sideways. The reason for that helps the roots develop along the stems. Like a lot of people, they even taking the cuttings of the tomatoes, put them in water, and like the upper branches, to get more tomatoes. Isn't that crazy? Yeah.
Okay.
Look at that, huh? You need one more of those. Oh, you're missing one. Okay. Here, drop those off a little bit there. And on the outside edge here, we're going to plant carrots. because tomatoes and carrots do fine together. All right. Get your marker there? So it's these 4 there, right?
Yep.
Well, here we go. So that's a quick version of planting the Roma tomatoes, and appreciate your help, Jen.
No problem.
All right, and we'll be doing more, and probably some of the recipes later in the summer we'll be putting up on YouTube.
Oh, I already have those already over on my blog.
You have in your blog already? What's your blog?
Fromthefamily.com.
Fromthefamily.com. Check it out. So a lot of recipes and a lot of
I have a frittata recipe.
with tomatoes.
Yep.
All right.
Of course, our tomato sauce recipe.
Yeah. That one uses beef tomatoes and what do you call it? Romas. Yes. All right. Well, there we go.